Are you over 30 and noticing a decline in your energy, muscle mass, or libido? Wondering if there's a natural way to reverse this? In today's video, we're revealing a powerful natural mixture you can take once a day to boost your testosterone levels and feel young again. It's a fact that after the age of 30, men's testosterone levels start decreasing by about 1% every year. This can lead to fatigue, weight gain, and a decrease in overall well-being. But don't worry, we have a natural solution to help you combat this. Did you know that nearly 40% of men over the age of 45 have clinically low testosterone levels? Testosterone is the hormone responsible for muscle growth, energy levels, and even mood. Unfortunately, as men age, their testosterone levels naturally decline, leading to various health issues. Studies show that by age 60, about 20% of men have hypogonadism, a condition characterized by low testosterone levels. But here's the good news: you don't need synthetic treatments or prescriptions to maintain healthy testosterone levels. Today, we'll show you a simple, natural mixture you can incorporate into your daily routine to help boost your testosterone and reclaim your vitality. Stay tuned to discover how you can turn back the clock and regain the energy and strength of your younger years with this easy, once-a-day solution. Let's dive in. When it comes to enhancing testosterone levels naturally, certain ingredients have garnered significant attention for their potent effects. Among these, a mixture of pumpkin seeds, fenugreek seeds, and cocoa powder stands out due to its nutrient-dense profile and scientifically backed benefits. This natural blend not only supports testosterone production but also offers a plethora of additional health advantages. Combining pumpkin seeds, fenugreek seeds, and cocoa powder creates a synergy that maximizes their individual benefits. Each ingredient contributes unique properties that work together to enhance testosterone levels and overall health. Pumpkin seeds. These small seeds are packed with essential nutrients such as zinc, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which play crucial roles in testosterone production. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best natural sources of zinc, a mineral essential for testosterone production. Zinc deficiency has been linked to reduced testosterone levels and impaired fertility. Pumpkin seeds have magnesium, which is crucial for hundreds of biochemical reactions in the body, including those involved in testosterone synthesis. Another mineral in pumpkin seeds are omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are known to reduce inflammation and support overall hormonal balance. Pumpkin seeds have been shown to support prostate health, which is closely linked to testosterone levels and male reproductive health. Due to their high zinc content, pumpkin seeds can improve sperm quality and motility. Magnesium in pumpkin seeds can help improve sleep quality, which is essential for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. A study published in the journal Nutrition Research found that men with adequate zinc levels had higher testosterone levels compared to those with zinc deficiencies. Research in the Journal of Medicinal Food highlighted that pumpkin seed oil could improve prostate health and reduce symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Fenugreek seeds. Known for their potent medicinal properties, fenugreek seeds contain compounds like saponins and alkaloids that have been shown to boost testosterone levels and improve libido. Fenugreek seeds have saponins. These are plant compounds that have been shown to increase testosterone production by stimulating the release of luteinizing hormone, LH, which signals the testes to produce testosterone. Fenugreek seeds are high in fiber, which aids in digestive health and helps in the management of blood sugar levels. Fenugreek is traditionally used to enhance libido and sexual performance. Some studies suggest that fenugreek can help improve muscle mass and strength, likely due to its testosterone-boosting effects. Fenugreek seeds help in regulating blood sugar levels, which is crucial for maintaining hormonal balance. A study published in Phytotherapy Research showed that men who consumed fenugreek supplements experienced significant improvements in their testosterone levels and overall sexual function. Research from the International Journal of Medical Sciences indicated that fenugreek supplementation could enhance muscle strength and body composition. Cocoa powder. Rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, cocoa powder not only enhances mood and cognitive function but also supports cardiovascular health, which is vital for maintaining optimal testosterone levels. Cocoa powder is rich in flavonoids, particularly epicatechin, which has been shown to improve blood flow and support cardiovascular health. Cocoa powder also contains magnesium, further contributing to its benefits for testosterone levels. The iron is essential for oxygen transport in the blood, which is crucial for overall energy levels and physical performance. The flavonoids in cocoa powder can boost mood and cognitive function, reducing stress levels that can negatively impact testosterone production. Improved blood flow and reduced blood pressure are key benefits of cocoa powder, supporting overall health and vitality. The high antioxidant content helps combat oxidative stress, which can damage cells and affect hormonal balance. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that cocoa flavonoids could improve vascular function and reduce blood pressure, which indirectly supports healthy testosterone levels. Research in the Journal of Applied Physiology showed that epicatechin in cocoa could enhance nitric oxide production, improving blood flow and physical performance. Why this mixture works? Combining pumpkin seeds, fenugreek seeds, and cocoa powder creates a powerful natural mixture that can effectively boost testosterone levels. The key lies in the complementary effects of their nutrients and bioactive compounds. Enhanced testosterone production. Zinc from pumpkin seeds and saponins from fenugreek seeds directly stimulate testosterone synthesis. Improved blood flow. Flavonoids in cocoa powder enhance vascular health, ensuring that nutrients and hormones are efficiently transported throughout the body. Stress reduction. Antioxidants in cocoa powder help reduce oxidative stress, which can negatively impact testosterone levels. Hormonal balance. The combined fiber content from fenugreek seeds and pumpkin seeds aids in regulating blood sugar and insulin levels, supporting overall hormonal health. Incorporating a mixture of pumpkin seeds, fenugreek seeds, and cocoa powder into your daily routine can offer a natural and effective way to boost testosterone levels. Each ingredient brings unique and complementary benefits, creating a potent blend that supports not only hormonal health but also overall well-being. Backed by scientific research and rich in essential nutrients, this natural mixture is a powerful addition to any health-conscious lifestyle. To harness the full benefits of pumpkin seeds, fenugreek seeds, and cocoa powder, here's a simple and delicious recipe that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. This smoothie combines these powerful ingredients with milk or yogurt and a touch of honey for a nutritious and testosterone-boosting drink. Ingredients: a 1/4 cup pumpkin seed powder, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon raw cocoa powder, 1 glass of milk, dairy or plant-based, or 1 cup of yogurt, a pinch of honey, optional, for sweetness. If you don't have pumpkin seed powder, you can grind whole pumpkin seeds into a fine powder using a coffee grinder or a high-speed blender. Ensure the fenugreek seeds are clean and ready to use. If you prefer a smoother texture, you can grind the fenugreek seeds as well. In a bowl, combine the pumpkin seed powder, fenugreek seeds, or powder, and raw cocoa powder. Mix them well to ensure an even distribution of all ingredients. Blend the smoothie. In a blender, add a glass of milk or a cup of yogurt. Add the mixed powders to the blender. If desired, add a pinch of honey to sweeten the smoothie naturally. Blend the mixture on high speed until all the ingredients are well combined and the smoothie reaches a smooth, creamy consistency.